This is a really cool way to just kind of, hear the melody of a dominant seventh chord and just kind of keep it rolling along. And I'll play a sloppy, I'm not going to stick to the parameters of a 12 bar blues. Start in A. So the ghost note factor in all of this, slop or demonstration, whichever way you want to go. I'm hammering onto that major third from the minor third. I kind of get this from like that. But I'm leaving this part out. It's kind of like going from, the idea is going from like an A dominant 7 to a D chord. But where I live, it's fucking hot as fuck. So when I walk to my car, this is how I feel. Just melting along. So when I move up to the D shape or form component, I'm barring all of the 10th fret here on the D, G, and B string, and then I'm hammering my middle finger down on the 11th fret of the G string. Just as I'm doing down here and at the 5th fret. I could go here to E, but I really wanted to demonstrate climbing back up using these major, well, these are the minor third double stops back into A. So from that E, low E string, I'm going 4th and 2nd fret on the 2 middle strings on the D and the G, and then I slide up to the 6th and the 4th fret on those same strings, then I hit the open A string. And I go right back into it. So you can call it a turnaround. I'm not a songwriter. I just like fucking around with the guitar. But John Lennon was a songwriter. He was so good with taking the like the old like rock and roll like formulas, the 12 bars, and just kind of putting his own spin on them. It's fucking just so good. So anyways, once again, thanks for stopping by, saying hi. Just grinding it out day after day. Breathing, work, bills, making money day after day. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe. Hope you're doing good. Take care.